Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you to how to add number in WhatsApp group without saving. To add a new member or add a new number in your WhatsApp group, first of all, open your WhatsApp application and go through the group in which you want to add new number or new member. From there, if you go through the profile page of the group, then there is an option of add new. Hit on that and hit the number on the searching bar. Then just below it you will see an option of new contact. Hit on that and then retype that number over here, and on the first name save with a new number by giving them any name. Then hit on the save. Now only you can add member to your WhatsApp group. This is the only way to add number in WhatsApp group. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.